going on YouTube, man? This your boy 04 Track back, and as y'all see as the caption, yo, now y'all, we stepping outside. We stepping outside the box this time. About to go pick up the new lift. I ain't gonna lie, I stopped doing a lot of truck content, but now I'm back. Now I'm about to go crazy. So y'all can tell I'm super stoked right now. I don't even know what to say to y'all, but we about to get ready to hop in the van. About to go get the lift. Y'all stay tuned. Put up to the spot to get the lift, man. Y'all see where I'm at, man, at Lindsay Tire, you know what I'm saying? They do it all. They do the wheels, they do the lift. So, man, we actually about to walk in. We about to reveal it. Open up the box, y'all, this thing, look. See what we really working with.
Okay, what's going on this wheel then? Put the tire on in.
Good, man. What you think the lift about to look like, bro?
It's gonna be hard. Let's go, bro.
Hey, oh week, bro. So y'all, man, we just pulled back up to the shop. You know what I'm saying? So sadly, y'all, the lift ain't come in yet, but he about to put the LTS on there.
It should be ready to go. Everything else get installed up on here. Should be on the road.
Yeah. And also, man, hey, what you call your shop, bro?
It's just a private shop.
Shit, right?
Shit box cousin. Now it's just a little private shop. We ain't got a name for it yet.
Yeah, man. Y'all check my boy out, man. Well, oil can't shoot out that rig, ain't it? Was that oil that came out that rig?
Where?
When it came shooting out right there?
That's out of your brakes.
No, there's a little bit of brake fluid.
Oh, okay. There's the ball joint right there?
Yeah. But these, on these Fords, they're a lot easier to work with. The Chevys, it'll be straight. We'll get it right.
It's 3 a.m. Go to sleep.
Go with that zoom action on them. You know about that?
So we heating up. We tell them 04 we heating up.
Yeah, we heating up out here, man. We really heating up. Y'all see what we got going on. You know what I'm saying? You know. I don't know what to say, but you know we coming.
Tell them trust the process.
Yeah, man. Trust the process. Trust the process. I'm about to show y'all how bad my CV was, though, y'all. I'm gonna walk over here. Let me show y'all right here. Look at that. That's wild.
I like when they put them LED strips inside of it.
Yeah, like I thought I put something like right up there or something. So like, oh, I don't know what it would be.
The cross member will be right here.
The cross members go like, they go like this.
Oh shoot. Cause I already got where you seen where the wires at for the wheel, where I had for the wheel up. I already got the wires like that little hole in there.
You got one to switch inside?
Yeah, I already got I'm talking about inside. There's a little spot where I had